What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Just want to show you guys my recent pickup here for the V4R. This is a GoPro mount that's actually custom made by somebody in Italy actually. So it took a while because it came straight from Italy, even though there's no one else that makes this here in the States. So show you guys how the V4R looking right now. This is post-track day. So I just changed the oil again one more time. This is the second time the bike has had an oil change. It's good. It's still pretty good. There's no leaks. It hasn't been leaking at the track. So a lot of people, I don't know. I've been reading the forums actually lately, and I'm like scaring myself because people with V4s like, oh, my bike leaks and things like that. Like I don't have any leaks. I don't have any issues with my bike. And I wish I didn't read those. So now I'm all paranoid. But I don't have any issues with my bike. So anyway. So this one mounts actually like this, like that. So it's basically looking straight like that. So you get kind of a view of your speedometer a little bit, and also you see what's ahead. Because I don't really, I mean, I like mounting the GoPro on my chin bar, but lately going to the track, I noticed that I'm hitting this area here with the GoPro, and it's also weighing my face down. It's just not comfortable. So to alleviate a lot of any distractions on my face, I'd rather just have the GoPro here. If I want to record my ride, it'll just be right here. So I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna go show you guys how to install it. It's basically you just it looks like you just take off these two screws, and somehow this will go in there. We'll see. I'm gonna go open this up and see how it looks like. So I opened it. These are actually like some kind of cap screws. So you kind of go in there and then just twist on. So I thought it was just straight up like a screw, but it's not. So, okay, let's see what the other one looks like. So it is like a cap screw. Yeah, straightforward. So it just goes in. It just goes in there like so. And then we're just gonna turn these screws in and see what happens there. It's the same size screw too. Very convenient. I'm gonna give a link in the description where I got this, but yeah. So there's many different kinds that he makes. There's different styles. This is like a newer style, the one that has a arrow kind of thing on it. So let me just go use both hands and tighten this up real quick. The package comes to you like this. So it's better to just separate the top from the bottom. This is essentially the base. Essentially, it's easier because you're kind of tightening two things all at once. It's kind of annoying. So just screw that in first, like all the way by hand. You don't have to use a tool or anything. You can, just screw it on. You can tighten it, but this is like a rubber coating here. You don't want to mess it up. But I think, yeah, this is okay by hand. So once you tighten that by hand, you can put the screw on top, and then we'll tighten it all together. Alright, you guys, there it is. A little under 5-minute install. So as you can see, it's so nice. The ingenuity that this guy did is just amazing. I mean, who would have thought? I mean, I'm sure people have thought about it, but he actually went and did it. So this is where you put your GoPro. You can put an extension arm. If you want that GoPro to be sitting up high, not seeing any of this, you can do that. That's like, put as many arms as you want, technically. On all honesty, this is actually not a sponsored video. This is actually, I paid for this. So this is not really cheap per se. So on other bikes, it might be cheaper, but for the V4, it's a little bit on the pricier side. It's around 80 bucks. So I paid for this with my own money because there's no other solution for something like this. So I guess you can do other mounts, but this one is the only one that I've seen that's most elegant. All right, that's it. So I'm gonna go do some like ride videos someday after this video and show you guys the view, if anything. So stay tuned for that. Again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.